more advanced stuff rather than some of the block programming he'd done in the past.
Finn, would you like to just introduce yourself with your name, city, and the feedback about what did you learn and how was the journey?
So,
Your name is?
my name is Finn, and I live in Orlando. And wait, oh yeah.
What about your learning?
I like the boot camp because I just got to learn how to make objects move. You can't jump if you're away on a platform.
Oh yeah, he's referring to something we worked on after. He didn't like the double jump, where
You could just jump infinity.
so we had to learn how to make it only jump if he was in contact with the plane.
Right. So how did you find the methodology of teaching and the concepts here? Like, how was it for you?
I liked it.